Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video I want to show you how we can create a cool ghost effect for people inside of GIMP. So the first thing we've got to do is pick out a background image and a person or other character that we want to basically turn into a ghost. So the idea here is that we want to cut the background away from the image where this person is originally in. You can see that the backgrounds that we might be using here are completely separate images and therefore separate layers from the woman itself. So if you want to cut a character out of the background, the quickest way to do that is the scissors select tool, which is over here in the top left hand corner. So you would just kind of roughly select around the edges, and the idea of the scissors tool is it will smartly figure out where the hair and the skin is separate from the background. You can left click to add in extra points there. And you basically just go all the way around. I'm doing this very crudely here. You can obviously take more time with it. And then connect them, and then you'll be able to get a selection where you can cut that into a different layer. So basically, once you've done that, you'll end up with this. And you just got to choose the background you want. And when you're satisfied with how the background looks, how the person looks, what you need to do is go over to the layer where you have the woman cut out and pasted onto, and then go up to mode here. So this allows you to change how the colors interact with different layers. And the one we're going for here, I think, is it was either grain extract or grain merge. So yeah, we're looking for grain merge here, and you can see how this takes the original person and turns the person into this kind of cool neon blue kind of color. It can also work with different backgrounds. And if it still looks like the person is a little bit too visible to you, then what you can do is you can take the layer for the woman, keeping it on grain extract mode, and lower down the opacity. So this will make it harder to see that person because the person will become more and more transparent. If you drop it to 0% opacity, then obviously that would be invisible. So that's the basic idea there. Just one cool color mode you can set it in order to achieve a really cool effect. So I've been Chris. Thanks for watching this quick GIMP tutorial, and I will see you guys in my future video content.